Alright, so we're getting everything ready for flight. Now everything needs to charge up before I go ahead and take off. If you guys ever looking for a really cool backpack, this one right here has a water bag inside. It's pretty awesome. Let me show you. So basically you just has a little tube here. You just put it in your mouth and you drink the water through. And it has a sack inside of it. So when I go for the hiking trails or anything like that, I always take this bag with me, just so I can, be hydrated when I'm out there. Yeah. Look at this. You see that? It's pretty awesome. Pretty cool. And it has these little clips here, so instead of taking the whole drone briefcase, I just attach the clips here, clip on the drone, and the drone will just be sitting on the back of the backpack. That way I won't have to hold anything in my hand. It's pretty cool. You guys let me know what you think.